Welcome back to Saas Beast Pro. In today's video, we're diving into 7 hidden PowerPoint features for Windows Pro Slides, where you'll learn subtle but powerful tools that instantly upgrade your presentations. These features are often overlooked, so now let's get started. Number 1. Enable the selection pane for layers. The selection pane lets you manage every object on your slide with clarity and control. It's essential for building clean, layered designs without losing track of elements. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open your PowerPoint presentation and select the slide you want to work on. Make sure the slide contains multiple objects to see the real benefit. Step 2. Go to the Home tab on the PowerPoint ribbon. This is where core editing and layout tools are located. Step 3. In the Editing or Drawing group, find and click the Arrange button. This opens a drop-down with object controls. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select Selection Pane. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen. Step 5. Use the eye icons in the selection pane to hide or show objects instantly. This helps you focus on one layer at a time. Step 6. Click on object names to rename them. Clear labels make complex slides much easier to manage. Step 7. Drag objects up or down in the list to change their layer order. This lets you control which elements sit on top or behind others. Number 2. Use Morph for seamless object transitions. Morph makes your slides flow smoothly by animating changes in position, size, rotation, and color automatically. It creates professional transitions that keep your audience engaged without extra effort. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Create your first slide by adding all your starting objects, like text, shapes, or images. Make sure everything is positioned exactly how you want it to appear initially. Step 2. Duplicate the slide by right-clicking it in the thumbnail pane and selecting Duplicate Slide, or press Ctrl+D. This creates a copy to apply your changes without altering the original. Step 3. Modify the objects on the new slide by adjusting their position, size, rotation, color, or shape. These changes are what Morph will animate smoothly between the slides. Step 4. Apply Morph by selecting the modified slide, going to the Transitions tab and choosing Morph. PowerPoint will automatically create a seamless transition between the slides. Number 3. Merge shapes to create custom graphics. Merging shapes in PowerPoint lets you craft unique graphics quickly, enhancing your slide's visual appeal and making your content more engaging and professional. Custom shapes save time and boost creativity. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open PowerPoint and insert the shapes you want to merge. Start with simple shapes like rectangles or circles to see how merging works. Step 2. Select both shapes by holding the Control key and clicking each shape. This ensures both shapes are active for merging. Step 3. Go to the Drawing Tools Format tab. This tab contains all the shape editing options you need. Step 4. Click Merge Shapes to open the drop-down menu. Here you'll find several options to combine or modify your shapes. Step 5. Select Union to combine the shapes into one single shape. This creates a seamless, unified shape from all selected shapes. Step 6. Select Combine to remove overlapping areas while keeping the remaining parts. This is useful for creating hollow or cut-out effects. Step 7. Select Fragment to break the shapes into multiple separate pieces. This allows you to manipulate each piece individually for custom designs. Step 8. Select Intersect to keep only the overlapping area of the shapes. This is perfect for highlighting intersections or layering effects. Step 9. Select Subtract to remove the top shape from the bottom shape. Make sure your top shape is selected correctly to control what gets removed. Number 4. Utilize the Eyedropper for custom branding. This powerful feature allows you to perfectly match any color from anywhere on your screen, ensuring your slides remain consistent with your brand identity. It's a simple yet effective way to make your presentations look polished, professional, and visually cohesive. Alright, let's dive into the steps and see how it works. Step 1. Open PowerPoint and select the object or chart you want to customize with a new color. Step 2. Right-click the object and choose Format Data Series if it's a chart, or Format Shape for other types of objects. Step 3. Click the paint bucket icon, then open the Fill drop-down and select Solid Fill to enable color customization. Step 4. Click the Color drop-down and choose the Eyedropper tool located at the very bottom. Step 5. Move the eyedropper over any color on your screen, whether from another slide, image, or application, and click to select it. Step 6. The selected color will instantly apply to your object or chart, perfectly matching your chosen color and giving your slides a seamless, professional look. Number 5. Lock objects to prevent unwanted changes. Locking objects is a simple but powerful way to keep your slides organized and prevent accidental edits, especially when working with complex layouts or detailed designs. This ensures that every element stays exactly where you want it, helping you maintain a polished and professional look while saving time fixing mistakes. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open PowerPoint and place the object you want to lock on your slide. This can be anything from a picture, icon shape, or even a text box. Anything you want to keep in place. Step 2. Right-click the object to open the context menu. This menu gives you quick access to all the options you need for editing and organizing your slide. Step 3. Select Lock from the menu to secure the object in place. Once locked, the object won't move, resize, or get accidentally edited while you work on other elements. Step 4. To make changes later, simply right-click the object again and choose Unlock. This gives you full control to adjust your design whenever necessary. Step 5. If the lock option isn't visible, make sure you are using Microsoft 365 because older versions of PowerPoint don't include this feature. Upgrading ensures you have access to all the latest tools and improvements. Number 6. Remove image backgrounds. Instantly, this powerful feature allows you to quickly isolate the main subject in any image, removing unnecessary backgrounds and clutter. It saves time, streamlines your workflow, and helps make your slides look polished, professional, and visually appealing without needing extra editing software. This is especially useful for creating clean, modern presentations that keep your audience focused on the key elements. Alright, let's get into the steps and see how it works. Step 1. First, select the picture you want to edit on your slide. Make sure it's the image you want to focus on, as this tool will affect the entire background. Step 2. Next, navigate to the Picture Format tab located at the top of PowerPoint. This tab contains all the tools you need to enhance and edit your image. Step 3. Click on Remove Background, and PowerPoint will automatically detect the areas it thinks should be removed, highlighting them in a magenta overlay. Step 4. To fine-tune the selection, use the Mark Areas to Keep or Mark Areas to Remove tools. These pencil-like tools let you manually adjust the edges, ensuring your subject looks perfect. Step 5. Once you're happy with the selection and all unwanted areas are removed, click Keep Changes to apply the background removal and finalize your image. Your slide now looks clean, professional, and ready to impress. Number 7. Customize the Quick Access Toolbar layout. Tailoring the Quick Access Toolbar lets you access your most used commands instantly, saving time and boosting productivity while working in PowerPoint. It streamlines your workflow and keeps essential tools at your fingertips. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open PowerPoint to start customizing your toolbar. Make sure you're on the main interface where the Quick Access Toolbar is visible. Step 2. Click the small arrow on the right of the Quick Access Toolbar to reveal the drop-down menu. This shows all the commands you can quickly add. Step 3. From the drop-down, select the command you want to add, like Open, and it will appear instantly on your toolbar. Step 4. To add a command directly from the ribbon, simply right-click the desired command and choose Add to Quick Access Toolbar. This gives you faster access without navigating menus. Step 5. To remove any command, right-click it on the Quick Access toolbar and select Remove from Quick Access toolbar. This keeps your toolbar clean and organized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more PowerPoint tips.